Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. May I present to you the Philips LED adapter CAN bus modification. What this lovely product does is it allows you to install LEDs on a regular bulb vehicle. So you switching out from regular incandescent bulb to LEDs, this is the product you would like to purchase. It makes life a lot easier, easy to install. And I'll go over the steps on how to install this on my brand new 2018 Optima. And this model is the SXL model. Okay. I'll be going through how to install this step by step on my next video. Okay.